Hello, hello. Thank you for joining me, Renee, at 5-Minute Makeover. So my question of the day is, how often do you clean your makeup brushes? I really hope that you are not like I used to be and I never cleaned them. And then I wondered why I had cystic acne, whiteheads, blackheads, skin breakouts, irritation. Because when you think about it, so much bacteria festers and gets built up in your brush, especially your foundation brush. And if you are not cleaning them on a regular basis, at least minimum once a week, there is a plethora of issues that can occur from built up bacteria on your brushes. Viral infections or viral infections, speech impediment, don't know which one it is. Bacteria, as I said. Clogged pores, skin irritations, creepy infestations. Go ahead and YouTube the infestation on some girl's makeup sponge. It was her little beauty blender, just like this one. And there were lots of creepy crawlies, like crawling through there, kind of like maggots on a piece of ground beef. So enough gross stuff. I have tried everything brush-wise. I used to do organic baby shampoo, and then you had to hang your brushes upside down if you had one of the nifty little brush cleaners, which I can't find my old one. You know, my toothbrush holder was balanced. I had stuff hanging from lights with strings until Unique came out with a brush cleaner. Now, I'm just going to show you right quick how awesome this is. Because so many times first, do a squirt. So many times my brushes were drying and I was like, oh, shnikes, I need to go somewhere, but they weren't dry yet. Okay, you squirt, and I suggest doing it with a white towel or napkin. Look at that. Look at that. And you know what? It's completely dry. It is completely sanitized, okay? My fluffy crease brush. Let's do a squirt. Completely dry, completely sanitized, completely ready to use. You are not going to infest your face with all kinds of nasty. And this is one of the #1 ways to make your skin glow. Clean your brushes. If you want more information on how to obtain this super rad, instantly drying, sanitizing brush cleaner, hit me up, Renee with 5-Minute Makeover. This was your skincare tip of the day. Love you all. Bye.